Starting a career on Fiverr with no experience can be challenging. But with the right approach, you can establish a successful gig and build a loyal client base. The first step is to identify your skills and strengths and determine what services you can offer on the platform. Consider your hobbies, education, and any relevant work experience you may have, and think about how you can monetize them. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to offer, create a professional profile that showcases your skills and services. Your profile should include a clear and concise description of your gig, as well as any relevant certifications or qualifications you may have. You should also add a high-quality profile picture and header image to make your profile visually appealing. The next step is to create a gig that stands out from the competition. Your gig should be clearly titled and described, and should include any relevant keywords that clients may use when searching for services like yours. You should also set a competitive price for your gig, and consider offering different packages or tiers to appeal to a wide range of clients. To increase your visibility on the platform, you should also focus on building a strong reputation through reviews and ratings. One way to do this is to offer high-quality services and excellent customer support, which will encourage clients to leave positive reviews and recommend your gig to others. You can also offer discounts or promotions to first-time clients, or provide additional services or bonuses to loyal clients. In addition to building a strong reputation, you should also focus on marketing your gig and attracting new clients. One way to do this is to utilize social media platforms and other online channels to promote your gig and reach a wider audience. You can also participate in online communities and forums related to your niche, and offer valuable advice or insights to establish yourself as an expert in your field. Finally, to succeed on Fiverr with no experience, you should be willing to learn and adapt, and continuously improve your skills and services. This may involve taking online courses or attending workshops, or seeking feedback from clients and using it to make improvements to your gig. By following these steps and staying focused on providing high-quality services and excellent customer support, you can establish a successful career on Fiverr and build a loyal client base.